Guess who is finally taking down her cornrows? What cornrows, girl? Yes, believe it or not, there are cornrows on this head. I didn't cut my hair. That's just how long they've been. It's looking like I cut my hair. To be honest, it actually even still looks good. Like, look good with short hair. Look like a pretty boy. But yeah, no guys, these cornrows, yo! I was a gara. Like, yeah, it looks crazy. But I'm gonna take them down. I'm just gonna be using my spray bottle. It has a little bit of conditioner and some coconut oil in it. We don't take down our hair when it's dry. No, don't just be undoing dry hair. You need to have a bit of moisture for some slip. It makes it a lot easier. It's a much gentler and smoother process when you're not trying to take down completely dry hair. I think that's where sometimes a lot of the damage can happen.